Hi, this is Rebecca Vandersice. I am an art teacher, and then I retired. I was a lamp worker, but then I stopped during COVID. I knew I needed to do something, and I took a meditation class. And then after that, I took Whitney Freya's intuitive painting class, and that was a super eye-opener. So I've never thought I could paint. I mean, I've taught kids how to paint, but when adults do like serious painting, they do the underlayer and they do everything at just so, and the just so part is just not me. So intuitive painting means that you start with what you have, you think about what you'd like and set intentions, and then you write your intentions on the canvas, and then you play. I'll tell you all about it in the next part. So, this is an example of what I was talking about, and I just played, and then I went over it with white so you couldn't see it all. But what I want you to know is that you can start out with using any kind of a recyclable, and then like maybe 2 colors in white. You don't need everything, and then you can play with it. So it could be just plain blue, or you could do blue and yellow together. Some of you know that would be green. And then you could make it lighter. So if I were to write my intentions, I think I would ask for guidance because, oh, I think there's a G from underneath. See, the thing is the canvas needs a lot of layers, and so this helps us, and it helps get more paint. There's calm. How about love? And oh, and show me. I write guide me a lot, so here's my guidance. Flexible. Okay, so that would be an example of the first layer. Then you might want to do a whole bunch of spirals in different colors. You see, I'm getting paint on it, and I'm playing with how it feels. Now I'm wishing I had some more colors, and I could stop and do that. Think about all the things that you could do with just this, though. See, once the camera was not on my face, and I have paint in my hand, I'm doing so much better. Okay, so now I'm thinking about doing, this is making me think of a sunshine for some reason. See, the thing is I didn't have a plan, and that's the good part about all of this. One thing leads to another. You do it, and then you repeat it. So I'll take a few stumbles out, and then I'll come back and add. When I'm saying stumbles, I mean my words. So different than kids in the classroom. Okay, I'll be back. Bye-bye.